Finally, after what felt like weeks of rain, it's beautiful again. Look at these clouds. It just doesn't get prettier than this. It's in the high 50s. I'm near the beach. It's beautiful. I'm heading down to Moss Landing to a little place called the Whole Enchilada. They make a fine burrito. So I'm going to kill a little time before work, maybe take some pictures, have a good old time, and then go to work. Boo. Hey, working weekends. That's what happens. But, I mean, really, look at these clouds. Look how pretty that is. I know. I'm crazy about the clouds. But I'll tell you right now, if I'm going to miss anything from California, it's going to be the sky. More days than not, it's beautiful like this. And I just find it perfect. Just perfect. I'll miss it.